Now let's put the soles of our feet together and, and move our knees up and down. This is the butterfly posture. This is very good for the hips and the knees. Makes you very healthy, makes you very flexible. Let's look at some of the benefits of yoga. Yoga improves your metabolism, which means you digest faster, improves your immunity, and reduces or annihilates stress. You won't have any stress. And this is the butterfly posture. Close your eyes. And relax. Observe the breath. Now stretch your legs out. And relax your feet. Relax your knees, calf muscles, thighs. Relax. And now we would place our right palm on the left knee and look. Now the other side, left palm on the right knee and look the other side. Continue breathing. Good. Relax your feet. And now we're all going to sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana, sitting on our knees. Continue breathing, eyes closed. Both the palms on the knees. Eyes closed. Now we're going to do Ardha Ustrasana, which is just bend forward, bend backward. Okay, this is Ardha Ustrasana. We will do the complete one. The Purna Ustrasana, we will place our hands on our soles of our feet. Okay. Let's come back to Vajrasana. Let's all sit in Vajrasana. Let's come back to Vajrasana. And now we will do the Shishu Asana. Shishu Asana is just bending forward. You know, it's a very relaxing pose. Sitting in Vajrasana, we place our forehead on the floor or forehead on our closed fists. It goes like this. It's a very relaxing pose. You can continue to breathe in this asana. Now let's all sit straight. And now we will do a series of asanas which you can observe first and then we will do together. We will lie down on us. You just have to watch him. How Venkaji is doing it. Now he will lie down in Makarasana. Makarasana is the crocodile. You know, crocodile is always lying on. Venkaji, maybe you could move a little forward. Yeah. So he's lying down on his stomach, one knee bend to a side, head turn to the same side, and comfortably breathe. This is Makarasana or the crocodile posture. Let's all get into Makarasana. Let's all get into Makarasana. Since some of us are doing it already, lie on your stomach. अपने पेट पर ले जाए. Okay? Let's all lie on our stomach. This is Makarasana, the crocodile posture. See, there's a lot of space behind. If you find space, a bit of constraint, you can move a little backwards. Okay. Now, feet together. Feet together, chin on the ground, palms beneath your shoulders. So we have feet together, chin on the ground, palms beneath the shoulders. As you breathe in, lift the upper body up into the Bhujangasana. You're all doing fantastic. Bhujangasana is the cobra posture. And continue breathing in Bhujangasana. Let's all do the Bhujangasana, the cobra posture. As you breathe out, come down and relax in Makarasana. Makarasana में विश्राम करेंगे. Now the ones who didn't have an opportunity to do the Bhujangasana, we will do it again. Let's all do the Bhujangasana again, the cobra posture. Let's all lie on the stomach. Let's all lie on the stomach with eyes closed. Aankhein band. Yeah, we're waiting for all of you to get into the posture. Let's all lie down. Let's all lie on our stomach. Okay, now sit together. Chin on the ground. Palms beneath the shoulders. As you breathe in, lift your upper body up. Bhujangasana. Let's do the cobra here. The cobra posture. Now, let's hum as we come down. And relax. Eyes closed. Relax in Makarasana. Relax. Now we will next do the Ardha Shalabhasana. For Ardha Shalabhasana, feet together. Chin on the ground. Palms beneath the thighs. Both the palms beneath the thighs. As you breathe in, the right leg goes up. The legs are straight. No bending the knees. And continue breathing. Do not bend the knees, keep them straight and continue breathing. And relax. Now the left leg goes up and continue breathing in and out. Do not bend the knee. Let's keep the knee straight. And relax. Now we will close our fists and place them under the thighs. Under the thighs. Closed fist under the thighs. And as you breathe in, lift both the legs up. This is called Purna Shalabhasana. Purna Shalabhasana. Lift both the legs up, knees are straight. And continue breathing. And relax. Relax in Makarasana. Let's relax in Makarasana. The other side maybe. Now roll over to your right side and sit up. Let's all roll over to the right side and sit up. दाईं करवट लें और उठकर बैठ जाएं. बल पक्कन इट्टु कुछ बल पक्कन तिरुम्मी எழுந்த உட்கார்ந்து